This is the third video in the series on how to graph the LemnaLD50 experiment. So what we have is all of the data that we need for the graph that I showed you how to do in video 2. Now we highlight the values of the data. We go to Insert, and we insert a line graph. And there we have a line graph. But there's something wrong with this graph, and you can see that when I click on the yellow line. You can see that what it did was it graphed the values for the same data day. That's not the way we want it done. So we have to use a tool to switch that around. The tool is up here, Switch Row and Column. When we click on that, we see that we have the right arrangement of the data. For example, we now see that this is the 50% line, where all of the data lines up correctly. So this is the right way to do it. Now, the rest of this you should know how to do. But let's go over how to convert the legend. Remember how to do that? We go to Select Data, and we have to change all of these series names into the names of the value of the concentrations. Start with Series 1 and hit Edit. First of all, which one is Series 1? Series 1 is the blue line. Which one is the blue line? To check that out by clicking on it. Oh, it's the 0%. Okay, let's try this again. Oh. Select Data. Series 1, Edit, 0%. Series 2, Edit. I think Series 2 is 50%. Series 3 is the 25%. Edit. Series 4, edit, 12.5%. Okay. Now, let's put that in the right place. Legend to the right. Good. Now, what we do is we're going to go to Insert, Text Box, and put a text box right there. And in the text box, that's going to be X-lax percentage. We've got our, bring this down a little bit. Now all we need to do is to label the y-axis and label the x-axis and label the y-axis. And we've already got the right data labels there. So you know what to do. Finish this up.